Hi students, welcome to this session. So in the last session, we learned about trigonometric ratios for some specific angles for 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees and 0 degrees. In this session, we will learn trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. So children, before going to this concept, first let us discuss about what are complementary angles. So the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then they are said to be complementary angles. The sum of two angles is 90 degrees. For example, 30 degrees is 60 degrees. So they sum 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, 45 degrees, 45 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So 30 degrees, 60 degrees are complementary to each other. 45 degrees, 45 degrees are complementary to each other. Similarly, 20 degrees and 70 degrees. They sum 90 degrees, so they are complementary angles to each other. So, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. So, in general, if one angle is theta, then its complementary angle is 90 minus theta, because their sum should be 90 degrees. So, now let us know trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. So, now we take a right angle triangle ABC. So, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Let angle A is equal to theta, then angle A plus angle C should be 90 degrees. Why? Because by angle sum property in a triangle, sum of three angles should be 180. So already B is equal to 90 degrees. So this is theta, means angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. So let triangle ABC be a right triangle, right angle at B, and angle A is equal to theta, say, then angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, because by angle sum property, sum of three angles is 180, angle B already 90, therefore angle C plus angle A is equal to 90, therefore angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. So in this triangle, ABC, now we can write trigonometric ratios for theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta, that is BC by hypotenuse. So opposite side to theta by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC by AC. Now cos theta is equal to side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by AC. Now tan theta is equal to side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta, that is equal to BC by AB. Now fourth one, cosecant theta cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is equal to 1 by BC by AC, that is equal to AC by BC. Now secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 1 by AB by AC, that is equal to AC by AB. Now cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, that is equal to 1 by tan theta is equal to BC by AB, that is equal to AB by BC. So these are the trigonometric ratios for angle theta. Now let us write trigonometric ratios for 90 minus theta. So here sin 90 minus theta, this is, you can say 1, right? So the triangle ABC, sin 90 minus theta is equal to side opposite to 90 minus theta, that is AB by hypotenuse. Side opposite to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse, that is equal to side opposite to 90 minus theta means AB, hypotenuse means AC. So students, here AB by AC, but from one AB by AC is equal to cos theta. AB by AC is cos theta. So therefore AB by AC is equal to cos theta. So therefore sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Clear? Now second one cos 90 minus theta is equal to side adjacent to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse, that is equal to 90 minus adjacent side to 90 minus theta is BC by AC, but here BC by AB, BC by AC is sin theta. So therefore sin theta, therefore cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is another one. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So you can go for third one, tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to a side opposite to 90 minus theta by side adjacent to 90 minus theta, that is equal to side opposite 90 minus theta, AB by adjacent to BC. So AB by BC, but AB by BC here cot theta, so that is equal to cot theta. Therefore tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So here just we observe sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. The fourth one is cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to 1 by sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to sin 90 minus theta sin 90 minus theta is equal to 1 by Sin 90 minus theta means AB by AC. So 1 by AB by AC, that is equal to AC by AB. So AC by AB, AC by AB, AC by AB, secant theta. So cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Therefore cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. This is the another one. Now next one is secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to 1 by cos 90 minus theta. That is equal to 1 by cos 90 minus theta. So adjacent side to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. That is equal to AC by BC. So AC by BC here cosecant theta. AC by BC here cosecant theta. That is equal to cosecant theta. Therefore secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Now the last one, cot 90 minus theta is equal to 1 by tan 90 minus theta. That is equal to 1 by tan 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC, that is equal to BC by AB, that is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB is equal to tan theta. That is equal to tan theta. So children, if you observe here, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So for complementary angle, sin will become to cos, cos will become to sin, and tan will become to cot, and cot will become to tan, and cosecant will become to secant, and secant theta will become to cosecant. So these are the trigonometric ratios for the complementary angles. So please remember the sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So and the tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. So on this concept, let us discuss 2-3 examples. Okay. So see, find example. Find tan 65 degrees by cot 25 degrees. Find the value of tan 65 degrees is equal to by tan 65 degrees by cot 25. So here tan 65 can be written as 90 minus 25. 65 can be written as 90 minus 25, 65. Clear? By cot 25 as this, cos 25. Just we know tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So tan 90 minus 25 is equal to cot 25 degrees by cot 25 degrees. So the same tan is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of tan 65 degrees by cot 25 degrees is equal to 1. So, have you understand? Okay. Thank you.